Hello friends, you're watching the Newell's channel, and in this video we will fix headphone jack not working or not connecting problem in Realme C21. So before starting video, if you're new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing headphone jack not working or earphones not connecting problem in Realme C21, then first of all you just need to open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.